I'm Brian Westover with PC Mag, here at Apple Campus in California, to give you our first look at the MacBook Air. It's gotten a completely new design from the inside out, starting with the new M2 processor inside, as well as a complete exterior redesign, with a new profile, new color options, new port selection. It's an all-new MacBook Air. Let's start with the M2 chip. This is an 8-core CPU with 4 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores, to borrow Intel's language. In fact, Apple touts that its power efficiency is better than Intel's. The MacBook Air also benefits from a new circuit board design. The logic board now uses circuitry on one side of the PCB, which allows it to use a thinner overall design, which in turn makes the entire design of the MacBook Air thinner. In fact, it has 20% less volume than the previous iteration. It's just 11.3 millimeters thick. It wasn't that fat to begin with. The MacBook Air is also available with up to 24 gigabytes of memory, a new high for the model line, and it starts at just $1199. This has been our first look at the MacBook Air. I'm Brian Westover with PC Mag. Make sure to come back for our full review in the near future.